Ladder safety. Ladder safety may seem like common sense, but in fact, between 2012 and 2016, 6 people died. There were almost 5,000 injuries due to ladders, and 1,600 of those were serious injuries. So you always want to make sure that you inspect the ladder before each time you use it. When inspecting the ladder, you want to start on a flat surface, check that the ladder is stable, check the feet so that they're not broken, check the side rails for any breaks or cracks, check both sides. Next, check the spreaders, that they're locked into place. This is good. Not bent, not rusted, not broken. Check the top cap so that it's not loose. If it is, that will make the ladder dangerous. This one is tight. Next, check the rear horizontal braces for any rust, any damage, any breaks. These are good. Then, finally, check the runs of the ladder for any bends, any wears, any breaks. These are all good. This ladder is safe to use. When you're inspecting the ladder, if you come across a crack in the side rail, such as this, causing it to be weak, that can be a serious problem when you're using the ladder. If you're up on here with some weight and this were to break, you could come down with whatever you're holding on top of you. Also, the top cap on this ladder is very loose. Again, as you're working off the ladder with your weight plus any other weight you're carrying, this can easily break, causing you to fall down with whatever material you're carrying on top of you. The next thing with this ladder is the spreader is bent, causing it to not stand stable. So this ladder is definitely not safe.